All right. Hello, guys. Good morning. I am Steven Moreira, your English teacher. And today's class, we are going to learn something fun that will help us, or actually will help you to interact confidently in social situations. Yeah, when maybe sometimes strangers, or perhaps when you get yourselves lost in a city or in a town. Yep. But it's important to start this class with an activity or maybe a video. So, guys, I will show the video and then you will tell me what this video is about or what the class will be about. So, hold on a second, please. And I got it here. Yes.
How do I get to the restaurant? How do I get to the swimming pool? How do I get to the restaurant? How do I get to the swimming pool? Go straight ahead, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go straight ahead, keep going, and stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the first on the left and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the second on the left and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the third on the left and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the fourth on the right and then stop. How do I get to the cinema? How do I get to the supermarket? How do I get to the cinema? How do I get to the supermarket? Go straight ahead, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go straight ahead, keep going, and stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the first on the right and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the second on the right and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the third on the right and then stop. Turn left, turn right. Take the fourth on the right and then stop.
All right, guys, that was the video. That was the song. How was the video? It was interesting, wasn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And Steven, what do you think was the video about?
It's interesting.
Okay. Nice. Yeah. It was about what? Giving and asking
Direction.
directions. That right. Christelle, good. So, guys, once we watched the video, let's get start with the vocabulary or useful expressions, useful words that you need to know to express maybe when you or maybe you don't know, but when you get lost or you will probably get lost. So let me show you the following activity or platform we are going to use. And here it is, guys. All right, here we go. The what? This one. You can't miss it. Um, what do you think that this phrase means, Stephen?
You can make error.
Okay. Oh, Crystal, what do you think?
I don't understand. You repeat?
All right. What do you think this phrase means? You can miss it.
Um,
Do you have a clue or no? Maybe. So. Okay, don't worry. You can miss it. It's an expression that means that something is visible, all right, in a place where you are. So, well, let's continue down. Well, go down with the vocabulary. So here we go. A man, right? And what is this? Could you please help me, Christelle? Say,
Walk down,
or
go down.
walk down. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Now let's move on to this one. Steven, could you please help me with this one? This one is
Go up,
or.
walk up,
That's right. The opposite of go down and go up. Then we have this sign. Christelle, could you please help me reading this one?
Go, go straight,
Mm-hmm.
go along,
And
walk along.
okay, the three themes of three words mean the same thing. Go straight, go along, or walk along. The same thing. Don't worry. So let's continue with the sign. Stephen, what is the science? Can you help me with this one?
to right,
Or,
on the right,
yeah, perfect. Thanks. And this one, Christelle?
Turn left
Uh-huh. Or
on, on the left.
on the left. Great. Well, now, okay, after watching or after studying the science in a city or the way you must take, well, let's continue with the prepositions, okay? And this one, Stephen is going to help me. What is this one?
next to,
Or,
beside,
great. So we can say the giraffe is next to the tree or the giraffe is beside the tree. It's the same. Thank you. Now let's continue with this one. Christelle, what is this one?
Uh, across from,
Or,
opposite.
okay, great job. Both of them are interchangeable. You can use both. Both are correct. So if you notice, guys, here we got the post office and the school. So the post office is across from the school, or the post office is opposite the school. Yep. So thank you. Now, Stephen, we are going to review some places of a city or a town. Here we got, what is this one, Stephen?
museum,
Great. And this one, Christelle?
Park,
Yeah, you got it right. Let's continue with this one. And this is, Stephen, what is this one?
church,
Great job. And this one, Christelle?
bus station.
Fantastic. Let's go it down. This one, Stephen?
train station,
Okay, fantastic. And this one, Christelle?
Uh, laundromat,
Yeah, you got
laundromat.
it right. Laundromat. And Stephen, what is this place called?
library,
Wonderful job. All right, guys. So now it's important that you keep in mind all these words because after this reviewing, we are going, or after this review, we are going to play a game called the memory game, in which you will have to listen very short recording or well recording, and you will have to pick or well help me out to pick the correct audio with the correct picture. So wait a minute, just let me do this one, these things, and then jump into this part. Okay, so here we go. This memory game and this platform, guys. Okay, there are two important things that I have to tell you here. The name of this activity is Places in Town Directions. Okay, memory game. And we got, hey, listen, we got 2 minutes, only 2 minutes to complete this activity and 4 tries. All right,
Okay, yes.
you're going to help me. And 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, time is running, guys. Let's get started.
Turn right.
Okay, turn right. Let's find the sign. Where's that? Crystal.
Is this
Oh,
blue?
make a circle, please. Okay, can you please do?
Okay. Wait. Where is? I don't. Where is?
Where in the part annotations? Or you
Okay.
can please, oh, maybe an arrow.
Okay. I think it is this.
Okay, okay, you said this one. All right, time is running. Let's try to do this as fast as you can. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, it wasn't. That was not correct. Well, let's continue with this one.
No. Oh
Museum.
God.
Okay, don't worry. Museum, Steven. Museum.
Oh,
Okay. And then go up, click here. Great. Now, Crystal, you have another chance with this one.
okay.
Train station.
Okay.
Uh, is this?
Wonderful. Let's click here and click here then. Great job. Steven,
Church.
church.
Mm, is this
Oh, which one? Okay. Oh, time is running. Yeah, this one.
across from?
Crystal.
Opposite.
Crystal.
This.
Okay, wonderful. Now, Steven.
Next to. Beside.
Next to this.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Time is up.
No.
Well, maybe next time. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. This was the memory game. So this was the first try. Okay. This was the memory game. I guess you already have learned these words. Okay. You keep them in mind. Great. So I think it's necessary to move on to the next activity to apply those knowledge and the following game, which is right here. Hold on a second, please.
Okay.
Let me take a look. All right, it is just right here, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and as you can see, we got the same name of the vocabulary, which is you can miss it. Okay, in this part, in this activity, which is focused on listening comprehension, you will be um, test your comprehension skill. uh, you will listen to short, very short uh, videos or recordings, and you will have to choose the correct option after listening twice. Okay,
Okay.
so let's get started now. 1, 2, and 3.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the laundromat from here?
Sure. Walk up Main Street and you'll see the laundromat on the right, across from the drugstore.
Thank you.
Okay, and here we got, where's the laundromat? It's blank, the drugstore. Opposite, turn right, in front. This one is for Steven. Steven, do you think it's okay, or do you want me to play the video again?
Play the video game, please.
All right, let's click here.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the laundromat from here?
Sure. Walk up Main Street and you'll see the laundromat on the right, across from the drugstore.
Thank you.
Okay, so what is the correct option for you?
Turn the right.
Okay, you said turn right. Let's click here. Oops, it is not. But hey, don't worry because here I got the feedback. As you can see, opposite equals across from. There you go. And this was the word the woman used, across from the drugstore. However, I just wrote or used a synonym of across from, which is opposite. It's a synonym. So you have to be very careful of that. Well, our next contestant or participant is going to be Crystal. So get ready because it's your turn and please focus, listen carefully.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office from here?
Sure. Walk down Main Street, and you'll see the post office on the left next to the high school.
Thank you.
All right, so we got the post office is blank, the high school, next to, on the left, walk down. Um, are you ready to choose the right answer or do you want me to play the video again?
I want to listen again.
Wonderful.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office from here?
Sure. Walk down Main Street, and you'll see the post office on the left next to the high school.
Thank you.
All right, so what is the answer?
I think it's next to the high school.
Okay, let's pick this one and click here. Yeah, you got
Yes.
it right. Wonderful. And yep, that's it. Next to or beside, correct. Now let's move on to the next one. And Steven, get ready because this is for you.
Excuse me, could you please tell me how to get to the hospital from here?
Sure. Walk along Central Avenue and you'll see the hospital on the left, between the museum and the park.
Thanks.
Okay, we have here the hospital is blank, museum, and the park. On the left, walk along, between. Steven, are you ready to pick the answer or do you want me to play the video again?
I think is between.
Okay, let's click here. And yeah, that's right. It's between. You got it right. Well, now, Crystal, get ready because now is your turn. And 1, 2, and 3.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure. Walk up the street and you'll see the library on the left next to the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Crystal, are you ready to pick the right answer or do you want me to play the video again?
I want to listen one more time.
Okay.
Please, because
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure. Walk up the street and you'll see the library on the left next to the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, the library is blank, the park, walk along, beside, on the left.
on the left.
Okay, let's click here. Oh, it was not the right answer. It was besides, because besides equals next to.
Next to.
It's a synonym. Yeah, you can use next to or beside. It's okay. Both are correct. Well, now let's jump into the next one, which is for Steven. So get ready.
Excuse me, can you possibly tell me how to get to the train station?
The train station? Sure. Walk down the street, and do you see that church down there?
Yes.
The train station is on the right, across from the church.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right, so let's check the options. The train station is blank, the church, across from, behind, next to. Steven, are you ready to pick the right answer or do you want me to play the video again?
I think is behind.
Behind? Okay. So are you sure don't you want to listen to the video again?
Yes, please, one more time.
Okay.
Excuse me, Can you possibly tell me how to get to the train station?
The train station? Sure. Walk down the street, and do you see that church down there?
Yes.
The train station is on the right, across from the church.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right. Now, I guess you're ready now. What is the right answer?
Across from.
Okay. Let's click here. Absolutely. It's across from, which remember, opposite is the synonym of across from. Great job. Now, Crystal, get ready because this is the last one. And I'm sure you will
Okay.
be able to do it. Perfect.
Excuse me, would you please tell me how to get to the bus station from here?
Certainly. Walk up Park Street to 2nd Avenue and turn right. Walk along 2nd Avenue and you'll see the bus station on the left, across from the cafeteria.
Thanks very much.
All right, so let's analyze the options and the sentence, of course. So we got here, the bus station is blank, the cafeteria. And the options are walk along, across from, turn right, and walk up. So Crystal, are you sure or are you ready to pick the right answer, or do you want me to play the video game? What do you think, Crystal?
Yes, one more time, please.
All right.
Excuse me, would you please tell me how to get to the bus station from here?
Certainly. Walk up Park Street to 2nd Avenue and turn right. Walk along 2nd Avenue and you'll see the bus station on the left, across from the cafeteria.
Thanks very much.
Well, what is the correct option for you? Are you there, Crystal?
Sorry, I think it's across from the cafeteria.
Okay, let's choose this one and click here. Yeah, you got it right. And you know, across from, what is the synonym for across from? Is opposite, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. Great job, guys. Only 2 mistakes out of 6. That's not too bad. That is good, actually. Well, guys, you have gone so furthermore. So now it's time to move on to the last activity of this lesson and to check how much you have learned through this class. This is what we got here. And 1 and 2 and 3. This is the last one. This is the map of a city or a country, perhaps. I don't know. Okay, so guys, I'm lost, so I will need your help to get to different places in this city or in this map. But guys, remember, I will be here. Okay, I will start from here. So
okay,
let's get started. I'm going to start with Steven. All right, Steven, so listen to my question. Steven, I'm lost. Would you mind, oh, excuse me, could you please tell me where the Italian restaurant is?
Italian restaurant. Um,
Are you there, my friend?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
I think the Italian restaurant is behind to the cafe.
Okay, but remember, I'm here. How can I get to this place?
Oh, you need to go straight.
I'm sorry?
Go straight.
Mm-hmm.
And then you need to go right. And finally you arrive.
Okay, thanks. So now it's turn for Christelle. Christelle, I'm here. I'm lost. Do you know how can I get to the cinema?
Okay, you must go straight.
Mm-hmm.
When you arrive to the theater. Oh no, sorry. You must go straight and then um, go left.
Mm-hmm.
When you arrive to the theater, you you can find cinema. Is
Okay.
near to the cinema.
Oh, great. Thanks. Well, I will give you two more chances, you guys. Uh,
Okay.
but this time I will change a little bit the question. So, okay, I'm here. I'm still here. So, Steven, do you know
Yes.
where the supermarket is?
You need to go straight and is near to a bookshop. Um,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, thanks. Well, now it's time for Crystal. Crystal, I'm here. But I'm lost. Do you know where the bus station is?
As a station. Okay. Uh, you you must go straight. Uh, um, you must go straight, and when you arrive to the bookshop, you you go right and continue to go straight, and in next to no, sorry, yes, next to Italian restaurant is bus station.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the
Maybe.
Italian restaurant is across from bus station, right?
Yes, it's in front of.
Okay, okay, thanks. Well, guys, thank you very much. So now I have a question for you guys. How was the class for you? How would you rate my class, Christelle, and then Steven? Tell me.
Well, I think in the class it was very interesting. I understand um, very well, and I learn more things about street directions, and I think it helped me a lot because um, before I didn't know, and yes, it helped me a lot.
Okay, wonderful. So nice
Thank you.
to know that. So, Steven, tell me, do you like the class and how much would you rate it?
yes, the class I think is very interesting and I like it because it's very interactive. Uh, Finish.
Okay, and this is it. So you learn how to ask and give directions. Okay. Well, guys, it was a pleasure to teach you this class, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye.
teacher. Bye.
Goodbye.